Maisha is a fashion textile brand. We originated in Thailand and we started, everybody talk about home decoration, but nobody wants to fashionalize the home. There was a gap which we saw, and that's how we thought, why don't we create fabrics which are fashionable, more fashionable, and which can beautify a house in a fashionable manner rather than just covering up your windows or your bed. We wanted to have something which will give more of glamour into it. We started using a lot of fabrics which were used for body fashion by European fashion houses. So that's certain things which we incorporated into our building. We went forward with having some of the techniques, some of the features which nobody else is doing. Like a lot of our bed linens are sanitized and formaldehyde free, which makes them antibacterial, antifungal, very good for infants also to be used. A lot of our fabrics have different fibers. Which make them valuation. Now we have a line here which is water repellent. So a line of upholstery fabrics which are completely water repellent. We're launching a line of curtains which are going to be UV friendly, UV protecting fabrics, where you can save electricity cooling inside the room up to 2 to 4 degrees. So those are certain things we incorporated in our fabrics.
These kind of fabrics fit in the Indian conditions. These kind of fabrics will be fit in the Indian conditions.
Yes.
Like you are mentioning that is
Look, our whole R&D design and development is based on European style concept, and India is very adapted to the European culture. So that's what we want to do.
how the trend
Trend is moving very good. We've been here for past 3 years in India. Globally, we've been for past 10 years, but in India we started 3 years ago, and we've seen an emerging trend for our fabrics. People do appreciate our fabrics.
Maybe this is the first kind of store you launched.
In Andhra Pradesh, it's the first store. We were present through multi-brand outlets, through smaller retailers, but as a flagship, this is the first store we have in Andhra Pradesh.
So how much you are going to be investing in this money? So what kind of investment?
It's a joint investment. I think there's around 1 crore has gone in.
Do you have any plans to expand in tier 2 cities also like Valsad?
Already are into some tier 2 cities. Like we have a store in Surat. I don't know whether it's a tier 2 city for you or not. For us, it's a tier 2 city. In fact, it was our first store, and we did very, very well there. So yes, we are expanding in a mix of tier 1 and tier 2 cities.
So when could we be expect a breakup point?
Break up each store. For each store, we look at around a year's time to do it. But yeah, that's quite, even industry standard is 2+ years. But for us, what we've seen with our past 5 stores, we broke even in within a year's time. Arun Gas.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Yatra is a journey of fashion through many years in many categories like fashion, home accessories, jewelry, etc. And it's a fashion also which goes to many cities. So it's a journey of fashion in various categories. And we started our journey from Hyderabad in 2006, and we keep taking stops more and more in Hyderabad. From one show we became, in 2007 we became 2 shows, 2008 was 3, we are stuck to 3 shows as of now. Maybe next year with popular demand we might increase our shows also. And if you see, we have a lot to offer in every category. We have, your footwear and bags, clothes of course is there for kids and women, and semi-precious jewelry, real jewelry, footwear and bags. So I would request you to take a look around. We also have amazing porcelain German silver and a lot of other home accessories. So if you just take a look around.
Okay, then how you feel about such like events you are conducting, right? Such like events you are conducting.
It's a pleasure to do it, and it gets better with every year.
So how how your staff, they are encouraging you, the otherwise designers?
See, the designers are all happy. The customers are all going back with bags. I haven't seen a single person walk out without a bag. Of course, the men, some of them. You can see how people are coming with their staff. If you just turn around, you'll see they have people coming with them and who are holding bags and going back. So that's the kind of response we have.
So even fashion related any events, you are the
I'm the pioneer not in Hyderabad, in India, because the first show was conceived by me, which is a pioneer for every other show or many other shows today.
Even you have good, relationship with your designers, right?
My designers, with my friends, they're all friends here who shop, and every designer, if you go to them and talk about me, they'll tell you what they do.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. Thanks a lot. In future also, wish you all the best for your fashion yatra and all those things.
Thank you.
Thank you.